But while I was doing the sewer camera, I noticed some stuff in the pipe. These builders love to put paint down the pipe. So what happens to paint when it dries, right? It goes on wet, and then it dries, and whatever touches it, it's going to dry and adhere to it, so then it gets stuck in the pipe. So we've got a bunch of rocks stuck inside the pipe today, and the paint might have something to do with it. Anyway, look at the video. But what it comes down to is we got to get the builder back out here to clean that pipe out and just make sure that it's good to go before the clients move in. They don't want to be dealing with some rocks in their system and a backup. That's the whole reason I'm here today. So check this out. Yeah, there is a little bit more debris in the pipe here that hasn't been flushed out. Actually, that's rocks. Those are gravel, pieces of gravel. And we've got more crud, more rocks, more debris in the line. This is 35 feet from the main plumbing clean out the front, so this is underneath the house. And we have some more building materials, waste products, rocks, debris. Should be flushed out the pipe. That's loose material. A good flush might push it down, but there is getting to be an excess amount of rocks. You know, that's a good few handfuls of stones in the drain pipe, and if you can't get those to move out of the way, it's going to collect toilet paper and everything else that gets flushed down the drains and cause a problem. Now, this white right here is paint. Everything on the bottom of this pipe is paint that's been washed through the pipe and dried to the drain line. And that's the end of the line. I don't see any major issues, but you do have some stones in the line. Somebody definitely flushed some paint on the drain here at the far end. See all these white marks. It's construction debris that was flushed down the drain pipe. And if that wasn't fully cleaned out, some of those rocks might be stuck in that paint if it dries up. Paint goes on wet, but it dries and then it gets hard. So if this paint in the line was wet when the rocks were there, the rocks could get stuck to it. You can see just how much paint is on the bottom of the pipe. It's always good to get a sewer camera inspection no matter what age of the house you are buying.